Welcome back to my summer salad series, and today we are making creamy potato salad. It's fresh, zesty and comes together in no time. For the dressing, in a large bowl combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon each of mayonnaise, mustard sauce, chili sauce and hot sauce. Now season it up with salt, black pepper, crushed red chili, garlic powder, paprika powder and a sprinkle of dried dill. Add a pinch of sugar if you want to balance the heat. Give it a good mix until smooth and creamy. Now for the salad base, add your boiled potatoes, pickled cucumbers, chopped bell peppers, onions and green onions right into that flavorful dressing. Add a bit of fresh coriander for that final touch. Fold it gently, make sure every bite is well coated in that creamy goodness. You'll smell the tang and spice already. Transfer it to your serving dish and garnish with fresh coriander and you are done. For the best flavor, chill it for 15 to 30 minutes before serving. This salad is perfect for barbecues, picnics or just a cozy side at dinner. This creamy potato salad is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.